glad there's fog.
I love you for a million reasons, and that's why I'm vowing the following. I vow to always stand by your side and encourage you to follow your dreams. I promise to keep a sense of adventure in our marriage. I vow to love you if and when you ever get wrinkles. I promise to always protect you, whether you need it or not, and I know I will regret this, even from spite of you. I promise to love you endlessly, today, tomorrow, and always.
I promise to give you the best of myself and to try my absolute hardest to be as good to you as you are to me. Trust me, that won't be easy, because you're about as good as it gets, but you deserve all the happiness in the world, and I want to be the one to give that to you. You're my one and only, and I will be here by your side today and all of our days to come.
Way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby.
I now pronounce you spouses for life. You may now seal it with a kiss.
Where will we be in 10 years?
In 10 years.
Hopefully we'll have won the lottery.
Yes, we'll win the lottery.
Our addition will
We'll have
actually
a
be
child, and our dogs will still be with us.
Okay, cheers.
And we'll be celebrating this night. We'll be renewing our vows, and it'll be another party.
Another